Welcome to Civil 3D Essentials. IMAGINiT Technologies offers live online courses that introduce each student to essential concepts and commands needed to help launch them into Civil 3D's design environment. By completing IMAGINiT's Introductory Essentials course, students will have obtained knowledge about tools, methods, processes needed to confidently manipulate Civil 3D's design software in a typical workday. Completion of the course will enable students to begin new projects, navigate AutoCAD's Civil 3D design interface, utilize Civil 3D's tool space to assist the designer to create and document their design, how to use Civil 3D's tool space to produce consistent designs and documentation for any project. What tools are available to create surfaces, roadway designs, grading solutions, pipe networks, and how to generate documentation for an engineering design. This course helps each student familiarize themselves with the design tools that are required in their daily workflow. IMAGINiT's live online courses are interactive with an in-person instructor who walks students through the different topics discussed throughout the class. Each attendee accesses Civil 3D through our unique online lab and works through practical exercises developed to familiarize and assist each trainee to thoroughly understand how to use the software. Our team at Ascent developed topics and exercises to help students understand workflows, dependencies, and tools that create a civil engineering design set. At the class end, a student will be able to use Civil 3D tools that create and review designs, be familiar with Civil 3D's workflow, organize external data, and use drawings to begin a new project. Understand Civil 3D design environment. Monitor a project's data quality by interacting with Tool Space's Prospector tab. Each student will discover how to develop and incorporate survey data into a project, how to organize point data for use in surfaces, or to provide all interested parties points representing their interests. Create a surface from organized point groups or survey data queries. How to review, enhance, and edit a surface model. How to use AutoCAD 3D tools to view a surface model. Review Civil 3D's roadway design workflow and learn the tools to create, evaluate, and edit roadway design elements. How to choose and manipulate appropriate sub-assemblies that solve road design issues. How to create a road design as a 3D model, a corridor. How to use the intersection wizard to create a three-way intersection. Extract from a roadway design volume estimates. Grading design tools including creating and manipulating feature lines and grading objects. Editing feature lines and assigning their elevations. Create gravity and pressure pipe networks from AutoCAD entities. Become familiar with the available tools to draft both gravity and pressure pipe networks. Review gravity and pressure pipe network parts lists and network rules. How to create project documentation for plan and profile sheets. Use a sheet set to organize a plan set for project documentation. Each class session, our experienced and knowledgeable instructors take students through how Civil 3D functions best when creating civil engineering design solutions. The mixture of lectures and exercises gives students confidence to incorporate the software in their daily tasks. The course helps to alleviate the fear that comes with working with new software and new workflows. This class gives students familiarity with tools to tackle daily obstacles and help the student move forward in solving design problems more effectively and quickly. This course is for technicians, designers, and managers alike. Each student will gain the confidence to create a project from the beginning or open an existing model and navigate the model seamlessly. The student's familiarity with workflows and design tools allow a student to easily move through any design phase, evaluate a project's contents, and to add to a project with greater ease. The amount of time companies spend onboarding new employees is reduced. When a new hire understands the software's organization and tools, a new employee is more prepared for the assigned tasks of their daily work. IMAGINiT's Civil 3D Essentials course equips students with the capability they need to move forward in today's technologically challenged environment and familiarizes them with the latest and greatest in Civil 3D engineering design software.